Welcome back to Open House NYC. Warmer weather is finally here, and that means you can now take the festivities outside. Our own George Oliphant, host of George to the Rescue, joins our friends at Cambridge Pavers for a look at what goes into designing the perfect outdoor entertaining space. Take a look.
Charles, great to see you, my friend.
Great to see you as well, George.
So this is a great house here.
Wonderful house, but wait till you see what's out back.
Charles, this place is spectacular, a true outdoor oasis.
They've taken the indoor living, they've expanded it to the outdoors.
People always say, oh, outdoor living, that's just Memorial Day to Labor Day. That's not the case anymore.
Truly, the outdoor room is for all 4 seasons.
I can't tell you how awesome it is to have an outdoor kitchen. I have one at my house. It makes you part of the party rather than running inside all the time.
And that's what part of the goal is, the convenience, the simplicity. You do it all right here.
It's not just about the kitchen. Outdoor living has brought every room outside. Wow, this is excellent. What a room. I mean, I don't know why you'd want to spend any time inside when you have this outside.
Pergola, fireplace, water features, lighting, couching, all maintenance-free. Perfect for that outdoor living room.
What's great about Cambridge is that we can do this patio right now, we can do an extension later on, and the color stays the same.
And that's why Cambridge is the only manufacturer worldwide that manufactures Armortec, which we developed, will keep the color true for years and years to come.
No matter what Mother Nature throws at it, it stays the same.
And that's a big part of why Cambridge is the #1 brand in North America.
The options really are infinite when it comes to outdoor living.
We're not close to finished. There's something else I want to show you. Come take a look.
This truly has all the elements of outdoor living at its very best.
And you think about all these separations, the same thing that you do inside your home, but you have the spacious area to do it and enjoy it outside.
I love that you can use it literally 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Doesn't matter what time of day or what the weather is.
Absolutely correct, and that's a big reason why we see these pavilions being used more and more.
You're covered from the elements, but you still have the open walls and the outdoor living experience.
These folks also put the bar in, overlooking the pool, so when your kids are out here, you're not inside, you're out here enjoying it all. That's what it's about.
Charles, I love all the different fire features around here. You got fireplaces, fire pits, fire bowls. They all just add to the atmosphere.
Water, fire, lighting, add it all to your outdoor room. It'll make you feel better every time you step into it. And you know, this is a pretty spacious area. Something also to keep in mind. All of these components come in modular sizes, smaller sizes. You can make it work in any surrounding.
Whatever works for who you are, what your family needs, and how you're going to use it.
Put it in, maintenance-free, enjoy it.
It's all about enjoying it. Charles, I really appreciate you showing me around. There's so many options when it comes to outdoor living.
People want to extend the inside outside and enjoy with family and friends.
And spring is here, so now is the time to get your outdoor living, your patio, get it all set up so that you can enjoy it.
Your 4-season outdoor room. Ready for some lunch?
As long as it's outside.
It's going to be outside.